Hi, my name is Susie Uhlich. I'm with Ansley Real Estate, and today we're going to talk about the steps you should take to prepare to sell your home. Selling your home? Well, let's make sure it stands out from your competition. Make sure it is move-in ready as can be and priced right, and it will sell. Let me share with you exactly what it takes to get your home ready for sale. Today, I'm sharing how to make your home shine and stand out in a competitive market. When meeting with my selling clients about listing their home for sale, I well educate them on what is needed to done to sell their house and for the highest price. That is always the goal. What I do with my clients is I actually have them step outside the house and come back inside the house as if they were a buyer. And so this way they know what would their expectations be for purchasing a home. How would they expect the front door, the front porch, that area to look like, and what would they expect to welcome them in the door? This is best when working with sellers because it takes them out of selling their house and actually acting as a buyer for their house, which is key to seeing what all needs to be done to get it market ready. Before you make a move, let's make sure to go over these steps to ensure for a successful sale. This is the foundation for any sale. To well prepare your home is key, as I've already mentioned, and decluttering is definitely even more important because people need to picture themselves in your home. So obviously getting rid of those items like decluttering countertops and getting rid of the personal pictures, at least most of them, that's important to do. And what I do with my clients is I actually provide a staging consult with one of my professional stagers to come in and help them with this process, which is best because they actually help prepare the home for pictures and recommend things that need to be done so that the home will shine its best when it's on the market. So this is always done just so we're ready to go and we get the price we're looking for the house. The will is prepared, things are up off the floor that don't need to be there, and so on. And this can really elevate your home's presentation and stand out to buyers. Before listing, take a close look at both the inside and the outside of your home. Fix minor repairs like leaky faucets and cracked tiles and peeling paint. Basically, if it's broken, fix it. If you know it's broken, fix it because it's going to come up somewhere along the line anyway that is going to be asked to be fixed. So I would say just go ahead and fix it. When buyers are looking at homes, they're looking for well-maintained homes. Picture this 2019. 2019 is pre-pandemic. Back then, that's what people were looking for. Were move-in ready homes. We are back there again. The more the home is prepared for sale and you fix all those little nuisance things that you've been staring at for years, your home will sell. Now that your home is looking its best, the next and most important step is to price it correctly. Setting the right price is crucial. If it is too high, you scare off potentially having the right buyer look at your house. And if it's too low, you won't get the full value of your home. As a local expert, I can help you analyze comparable sales in the area, current market trends, and buyer demands to come up with a price that attracts offers and gets the best return. It's important to trust a real estate professional who knows your neighborhood, knows the area, and knows how to help you set a competitive price. Selling a home is more than just putting a sign in the yard. A strong real estate agent helps you connect all the dots, from preparation and pricing to market, negotiating, and timing. A good agent will guide you on which updates actually matter, help you avoid over-improving, and position your home to attract the right buyer from day one. They'll also handle showings, feedback, negotiations, and any curveballs that come up during the process. Most importantly, the right agent advocates for you. They protect your bottom line, keep the transaction on track, and help reduce stress so that you can focus on your next move with confidence. Always remember that when your home is prepared well, priced correctly, and supported by a knowledgeable local expert, you put yourself in the strongest possible position for a successful sale. Preparing your home for sale doesn't have to be stressful. With the right strategy, simple updates, and smart staging, the process can be smooth and even exciting. If you're ready to get started or have questions about pricing, staging, or marketing, give me a call or send me a message. Let's get your home sold for the best price in the shortest amount of time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.